Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you something very easy and simple, and trust me, there's nothing complicated. Actually, are you wondering how to unfollow someone on TikTok? Don't worry about it. If you are, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unfollow someone on TikTok. So here is how. We first open TikTok, and let's say we accidentally click on this plus, and that actually does mean you follow this person. But how to unfollow it? Just click on his profile picture, and yeah, they made cool videos. But as you can see here, we have this there's a person with the check mark here next to this symbol of a person with the check mark next to the message, and by clicking it, actually you unfollow it. And when you click on follow, yeah, again we can play with that button so many times. So yeah, that was how to unfollow someone on TikTok. As I told you, it was very easy. There's nothing complicated, as I said. And if you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't hesitate to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. See you next video. Bye.